So, I wanted to talk again about the changes in taste. I had mentioned earlier in one of my videos that taste can change. That was in relation to the protein powders and stuff like that. I pretty much normally will eat anything. I did a vegan diet for about a year, and so pretty much every single vegetable I have no problem with. There's some I like more than others, of course, but for the most part, I'm not a picky eater. So we'll see how this affects me when I start getting to other things. But what I wanted to talk about was water. I am a huge water guy. Like, I rarely have coffee, very rarely have soda. I don't really drink alcohol, and I love water. I like it in pretty much every occasion. Tea's great, coffee's great, soda's great, but when it comes down to it, I pretty much always want water. So, one of the things I noticed right after surgery, which was pretty weird, is that now water tastes like it's encoded in a clear membrane. So, if you've ever seen the commercial, or not the commercial, but like a little documentary type thing about like biodegradable water bottles, essentially, and it's like a little sphere of water. That is what water tastes like to me now. I've been trying to describe it in a three-dimensional aspect, basically, which is interesting in and of itself. But yeah, water now has a three-dimensional property to my taste buds, so that's a bit weird. I can't remember the name of what that is referred to as. Synesthesia. So, yeah, synesthesia. That's when basically your body is crossing, your body and mind are crossing different senses. And sometimes it gets really crazy and extensive and amazing. But yeah, right now, water tastes like it's coated in a thin plastic, almost. And it's got a bubbly, like gooey, almost consistency. So, yeah, just wanted to talk about that. That's a pretty weird one so far. I didn't expect water to change, and I hope that it goes back, because honestly, it's been a kind of a pain in the ass drinking it. It doesn't matter if it's cold or anything. Cold is better, but it still feels really odd, and I'm hoping that that's something that just kind of dials itself back over time. The interesting part, though, of course, was that the banana shake that I just had was really tasty. So it could be that it's just something that's slowly going to fade away, and I really could have a lot of tastes changing, because that's a very common occurrence with this surgery as well. So stay tuned, and we will see if I'm able to enjoy water again. All right, have a good one.